All right, here we are, part dos of scientific notation. So last time we went from standard to scientific. This time we're going from scientific to standard. So like I said in the last one, scientific notation is all about writing numbers in a more concise, better way, an easier way to write numbers, okay? Whether they're super big or super small. A example that I use in my class quite often is like talking about the circumference of the earth versus the size of an atom. You know, you can talk about how the circumference of the earth is. That's a huge number that you wouldn't necessarily want to write out, so you would convert it to scientific notation. Or maybe the size of an atom, wouldn't want to write that out. There's so many zeros after the decimal, you write it in scientific notation instead. So we are going to start off with, let's do 2.6. Easy one. 2.6 times 10 to the 5th power. Okay, so how I have my students do it is I have them rewrite the number before the multiplication symbol, and then you always want to look at what is the number in the exponent place. This one is 5. So that means you're going to take your decimal and move it to the right 5 places. You know it's going to the right because a positive exponent means you're going to go to the right. Okay, if you think about a number line, so here's a number line, okay? You have all these little dashes. Here's your 0, here's -1, here's -2, here's 1, here's 2, okay? Your positive numbers are on the right. Your negative numbers are on the left. That's how I have my kids remember. So positive right, negative left. Let me erase all of this. Okay, so we are going to move our decimal to the right 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Okay. I always tell my kids fill in the spaces with smiley faces, just to make it fun. I mean, they're really just zeros, but it's more fun that way, right? So take away the little valleys, if you will. Rewrite your number. And there you have it, 260,000. All right, that would be your answer. Okay, let's do another one. This time, let's do 4.89 times 10 to the -4th power. Okay, so this time's a little bit different. It's negative, which tells us that, kind of like on the number line, your negative numbers are on the left. We are going to be moving to the left. Okay, so I always have my kids, when it comes to moving to the left, I have them rewrite it kind of towards the right side of the paper. That way they have room to write over here in this area. Okay, so we're going to move 4 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place your 0. Fill in the spaces with smiley faces. Okay, and rewrite your number. 0.000489. And there's your answer. Simple as that. I hope this answered any questions you might have. I'm trying to keep these videos kind of short, but if you need more examples, if you're one of my students, just contact me on Google Classroom or Remind, or shoot me an email. But other than that, yep, there's that.